Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to e-learning mathematics class of chapter 14, that is statistics. In previous class, we have already completed polynomials and graph and even test also. And almost all have written the test also very well. And so now we will move on to the new topic, that is statistics. That is chapter 14. This is from paper 2 syllabus. So first three chapters we have covered from paper 1. So now this is from paper 2 syllabus, that is statistics. So my dear children, in this session you are going to learn the main key concepts in this chapter which you are going to learn are mean and methods of finding mean, that is direct method of finding mean, assumed mean method, and uh, the third one is step deviation method. That is, assumed mean method is a deviation method, nothing but deviation method. And next one is the step deviation method also. Then mode and mode, about definition of mode and mode of grouped data, median and median of a grouped data, then cumulative frequency distribution curve, I mean Ogilvy curves. Already last year you have learned how to prepare that less than cumulative frequency table and greater than cumulative frequency table, and from that how to construct the curves also. So why this last year what you learned, that you will use it here in this chapter to find the median through the graph. So that is only the last one. It is median of group data from its graph. So first of all, before starting directly into the exercise, let us see first what is statistics. The introduction to the topic. Statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, organization, presentation, and interpretation of numerical data. Means collecting the data and getting the result directly from the data by using different methods. Now, the statistics, you see that it's an English word which is taken by an Italian word star and a Greek word statistic. Sir Ronald Fisher is the famous mathematician who developed statistics. He is a person that Sir Ronald Fisher is very important objective for your exam also. Dash developed statistics. That is Sir Ronald Fisher. Now the next one is, that is how to find the mean of raw data. Raw data means you know that some a bulk of data is given, then from the data how to find the mean. Already this you have learned in class 5 in 5th standard, it is arithmetic mean, nothing but the same. And you represent mean with x bar. So x bar is equal to, formula is sum of all observations by number of observations. Let us let us take the observations are x1, x2, etc., xn. Then sum of all observations, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus etc. xn by the total number of observations are n observations. So by number of observations, that is n. Let us see one example based on this. Sita secured 24, 23, 25, 20 marks in 4 subjects. Find her mean marks. That means sum of all observations, that is 24 plus 23 plus 25 plus 20 by number of observations are 4, so by 4. That is equal to 92 by 4, that is 23. Now another example. Another example here is, find the observation P from the given data. Just see here, the mean of 20, 24, 56, P, 48 is P, find P. That means the missing observation and the mean are also same. Both are same. That is given as a variable P. So that P you have to find out. But formula is same. That is sum of all observations by number of observations. P is equal to 20 plus 24 plus 56 plus P plus 48 by total observations are 5. That is equal to The mean is given as P, so right is equal to P. Now add all the observations except P, that is 148 plus P whole by 5, that is equal to P. Now cross multiply, 5 into P will become 5P, so 5P is equal to 148 plus P. Then transpose P to the left hand side, so 5P minus P, that is equal to 148. 4P is equal to 148, then P is equal to 148 by 4, that is equal to 37. So in this way, any missing observation or and mean is also not given, then we can find by using sum of all observations by number of observations when the raw data is given. Now the next one is here. The next one is, let us see that exclusive classes. So before going into that, the next session, you are going to learn about the mean of, how to find the mean of grouped data as well as ungrouped data in different methods. So before going into that, first let us see the basics of this grouped data. First, exclusive classes. What are exclusive classes? You see the class intervals 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. These all are called as class intervals. So in this, if you observe it, the lower limit, means the first number in the class interval is nothing but lower limit, and and if you see the second number in the first class interval, that is 20, the 20 as well as the second lower limit of the second class interval is also 20. So in such case, we must say that these all are exclusive classes because 20 is not included in the first class interval, 20 is included in the next class interval. So 20 is excluded in the first. So that is why these kind of classes are called as exclusive classes. So in these exclusive classes, the lower limit and lower boundary both will be same. Just see one example. The lower limit and lower boundary of 30 to 40 is 30. Then upper limit and upper boundary of the same class is, that is 40. And size means the gap between the first number and the second number. That means lower limit and the upper limit gap is known as the size of the class. The size of the class is excluding 20, exactly you will get 10 numbers. So the size of the class is 10. You can check 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Because 30 is not going to include in this, 30 is going to include in the third class interval. I hope you have understood the exclusive classes. Now, the next one is the upper boundary and upper limit, lower boundary and lower limit. These all are we are going to learn in the next session, and that is in along with the mean of group data to find different methods. In that, you're going to learn what is upper boundary and upper limit, lower boundary and lower limit of other types of classes. That is, this class session you learn exclusive classes. Now in the next session you're going to learn inclusive classes and how to convert inclusive classes into boundary classes. Is all you're going to learn in the next session. So, and the statistics chapter, the statistics is also is used in a different fields. Some of the fields, important fields. That is, here you can say that business, the statistics is also used, and economics and mathematics. In all these fields, the statistics is used. And now commonly applied the statistics in all these fields. These are the important fields which I have discussed here. And we are using statistics from ancient civilization up to the present. So statistics is very, very important in our present daily life. Thank you very much, my dear children. Thank you one and all.